Spider-Man attacked me for some reason. He has an army weaponized drone, Stark technology.
There you have it, folks. Conclusive proof that Spider-Man was responsible for the brutal murder of Mysterio, an interdimensional warrior who gave his life to protect our planet and who will no doubt go down in history.
Spider-Man's name is Peter Parker.
Right, folks, Spider-Man is in fact Peter Parker.
Listen, I did not kill Mysterio. The drones did.
The drones that are yours.
Be careful what you wish for, Parker.
What just happened?
Hello, Peter.
You're not gonna take this away from me.
Peter. You're struggling. From every universe.